Hello, elementary art teachers. I'm here to share with you my storage closet. I love being able to store in clear bins instead of some of the solid colored bins. I like the clear bins for one reason, and that is I'm able to see through them without having to label each one. I can actually see where I've got sand and glitter, and I can see where I've got buttons to use and weaving things. All of it's in a clear bin, so I can quickly come and find it. Now, these particular empty containers I use for getting set up for a specific project. I have a table set up, or my counter set up in my classroom with all the materials the kids would need for a particular project. If we're doing a collage, I might have several sheets of different colored paper cut like halfway, where they could just come and get that paper out and use that paper instead of using a whole sheet and then cutting out a small piece of it. I now have it in smaller pieces where they can cut and use that for their collage. I've got all kinds of storage bins that I use, that I set up like a store where the kids could come and get those items. I love being able to separate things and sort things by color, so when kids come and get those things, that they're able to work on them quickly. I even have a lot of my smaller pieces like cups and bowls. I keep them all in one big bin so that I don't lose them and I know where straight to go and get them. I do love using a lot of these as well, and I'll have each table with a different color bin, and inside of that bin would be their materials that they're using on that specific project. I also like to store the Ziploc bags, and I store them by size. So I'll have like snack bags and sandwich bags, and then I'll have quart bags and gallon bags are all sorted here. I also use crates and a lot of the like laundry baskets and things like that. They work really well for materials, and they're sturdy and they hold up over time. The art teacher that was here prior to me starting this class had these. And I do like them because I can see right inside each one. I don't have a top on them, but they do work really well. I usually have these all set up where I could just come in here, grab them, and put them out so that kids could use those. So I do love being able to have these set up that way. So this is my storage closet. I hope that this quick tip of putting things in clear bins and sorting things for your students will be helpful to you. Have a great afternoon, and thank you for watching.